Hey guys, I am testing out a new microphone. It's a lapel mic to the phone so you don't hear the ruffling and shuffling of my hands, and I thought I would do a quick update while I'm at it on the cucumber plants. So the temperatures at night have been pretty cold, down to the mid 40s, but we haven't had a frost yet. And these are cucumbers I planted, let's see, what does it say there? Oh, I didn't write it down. I think I planted them around the beginning of September. And as I said earlier, I had really bad cucumber season, and I really just want cucumbers. So it looks like they're doing pretty good. This one in particular is doing really amazing. So fingers crossed that I'll get something. So tell me what you think about the sound quality, as I said. And you can see I'm wearing the lapel mic, and it's a Movo brand. I'll post a link to the one I bought. I just bought a cheapo $14 one. I figured, as I said, it'd be better than testing out me handling, when I'm holding the phone, my hand goes over the microphone area of the phone all the time. The other thing is I'm actually getting a stabilizer to help the camera be less shifty, and that should be coming in the next day or two. And I'm hoping that with the use of those two, that the quality of the video will be improved greatly. But I'll have to let you be the ones to decide. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, tell me what you think, and consider subscribing now that my sound quality is getting better. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.